चलो ब्रो. Namaskar. How are you guys doing? Good morning. We have come on a very little photography trip to this place called Chota Pachmadi. It's near Bhopal city, and we have driven about 55 something kilometers to reach here. It took us about 1 hour. Now we have left the car behind and we are walking now towards the place. I will show you how it is, but well, the idea about this video is that it's basically a vlog. All right, so I'm not promising any photographs, I'm not promising any, you know, I don't know what we will see up there, how it will be. So the idea is to vlog everything no matter what, and I will show you how it goes. And the place is supposed to be beautiful. It's supposed to be, you know, giving out some good pictures, but we'll see. And I'm in the company of my dear friend and fellow photographer Himanshu Devedi, who will also be making a video about this place, and hopefully you will be able to see his video on his YouTube channel. Let him click? Let him click, yeah. I get confused because he has 2 channels. So yeah, so follow him on Let Him Click, and hopefully we'll have 2 videos about this location. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. So we have some cow friends as well accompanying us. I think they are a little scared of us, maybe because of the umbrellas or something. What's the call then?
We are going to the right side. Right.
Straight again?
Yeah, straight again.
Okay.
Also, the direction map is showing is towards the right.
Okay.
I'm trusting the thing that has been dropped by somebody. Yeah.
All we can do is trust at this moment. We took straight again. This was our 3rd cross section. Well, there was a signboard, but it was for the mandir, but we don't see any mandir right now. So bro, the car couldn't have reached here now, at least. But we could have parked it there.
Been a parking spot.
Yeah, the signboard, we could have taken the car here. Bro, I think we should follow the rocks now.
Definitely.
What do you say?
Definitely the...
ये वाला स्लिप ही होगा ना?
मेरे को लगता है कि कहीं साइड से है भाई।
भाई
जाए क्या?
ये साइड से चल गया ना पीछे से।
इधर से? भाई ज़्यादा पास नहीं था।
भाई रिस्की है
यार, नीचे पहुंचना है अपने को।
So apparently we are on the top of the waterfall right now, which is not we are hoping to be. We want to go down, obviously. We don't have any idea right now, but we do see a few ways to reach, but they seem a little tricky. So, bro, maybe we continue on this path and then see, and then
Be away from that.
there might be a way, definitely. So we have reached where the waterfall is starting from this end. There are 2 or maybe 3 streams of waterfall here, but this is a dead end for us. I don't think we can go down from here. So we are trying the other route that we saw earlier. We'll have to go all the way back to the rocks where we started, and there we will get another maybe path to go down. So after a little struggle, we did manage to find the waterfall, but it's nowhere close. I mean, I don't know if you can see it from here, but it's right there behind us. I mean, in front of us right now. The water looks clear. It looks turquoise blue. It looks promising as it, did in photos and videos. But we haven't managed to find the way to reach there. So I don't know if we will. So I think we should take some pictures from here so that at least we have something. What do you say, bro?
Yeah. Not go empty-handed from here.
We cannot go empty-handed for sure. So let's take whatever that we can and then maybe try again. But we are not in the mood of taking that much risk. We won't climb down the rocks if it's riskier. So that's what we are doing. We are playing it safe. We are on a cliff sort of right now. It got a little shady to be here, in fact, but we didn't go anywhere near danger, and that's something that we are not planning to do. So yeah, let's take some pictures now. So I took some shots using the 1535 as you saw, but the focal length isn't working. I need some more reach, so I'm switching to my 85 now, and let's see if I can find something at least here, and then we'll try again to go down to the waterfall. आई एम नॉट श्योर ब्रो, ऊपर जाने से प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं होगी यार अपनी. सो वी आर नॉट लॉस्ट, बट वी can't find the way to the waterfall. I mean, we can find our way back to the car, but we are a little far now. It has been around 1.5 hours since we have been trekking in these rocks and mountains. Not mountains, hilly areas basically. There's a lot of fungus, what do you call it, moss on the rocks. It's very slippery. Himanshu is trying to find a way. I didn't try because there was a lot of moss on those rocks over there, so I didn't try. You can see the woodlands in action. Oh! Bro!
Oh, भाई बहुत slippery था.
बहुत slippery था, bro. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
It is captured in video now, forever, for eternity.
Won't go online though.
It might as well. We are coming from this direction, but initially we went from that way. So we were unable to find the waterfall, and we are leaving it to that because we couldn't find any way to climb down the rocks, and that wasn't something that we were willing to do. Not at least today when it is very slippery. So we are now heading back towards the car. But yeah, this is how sometimes it goes, you know. You can't always go out and get amazing pictures. We did get one or two, but yeah, it wasn't the composition or the position that we were aiming to be at. We wanted to be at the bottom of the waterfall. So this is the Halali Dam that we were talking about, and behind us is the jungle that we just came from. Chota Pachmadi region that we were trying to go. There is nothing here.
Yeah.
In there.
Actually.
What is there? So we came to one of Halali Dam's entrance. Behind me is the MPT resort, but we couldn't find any composition here, so we didn't spend much time here. Now we are packing up everything, trying to dry up everything that was wet in the whole process, and now yeah, we'll head home now. So this is it for this vlog. I don't know what to call it anymore. But it was fun to be out with Himanshu, of course. Check out his channel, guys. Make sure you subscribe him as well, and me. Like our videos if you watched them till here. It means a lot. The like and subscribe, those things really help us small channels, us small YouTubers basically. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one, in the next video, hopefully with some more pictures.